Okay guys, it's me again. So I'm gonna put the carburetor back together off of my old 5 horsepower Briggs. Okay, to start with, I am gonna put the air jet back in, so don't forget to put this gasket down over the adjusting screw. Then screw it into the carburetor. And you'll need a 1/2 inch wrench to tighten it. Tighten it pretty tight. Next, for the diaphragm side, you've got 2 pieces. First off, start with a spring. Put it in the carburetor. Then, there's this little metal O-ring. Put it on top of the spring. Next, take your carburetor cover. Install the screws. Then once you've got your screws in the cover, like I have, next you'll need your diaphragm. Take and line it up on the carburetor. Like this. Got your gasket all lined up. Reinstall your carburetor cover. You'll need a flat tip screwdriver and just tighten the bolts. You want to go from side to side to get it tightened even. Then, once you've got your diaphragm cover with the gasket put on this particular model, there's this thing, your throttle cable works. So what you want to do is, take a carburetor on this side, line it up like this. I'll give a close view once I get it put on. And for those bolts, you will need a 1/4 inch socket. Okay, there's how it goes on once it's completed. And then when you move it, you can see your choke. You can see your choke here moving. And that's how you properly reinstall the carburetor for a 5 horsepower Briggs lawnmower engine. Thanks for watching.